Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to reset Dell Docking Station WD19 Easy Reset and Troubleshooting Tutorial. Step 1. Disconnect everything. Unplug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable from your laptop. Then unplug all the connected external monitors, USB devices, and the Ethernet cable from the back of your dock. Step 2. Unplug from power. Remove the AC power adapter from both the wall outlet and the dock itself. Step 3. Drain residual power. With the dock completely isolated, press and hold the dock's power button for about 30 seconds. And this is a critical step as it drains the internal capacitors for any residual charge that might be causing the glitches. Step 4. Wait. Then leave the dock unplugged and powered down for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Step 5. Reconnect the power. Once done, plug the AC adapter back into the dock and then into the wall outlet. And if the power button has an LED, it should blink 3 times, indicating the reset is complete. Step 6. Re-establish connections. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds for the dock to initialize and then plug back into your monitors and peripherals. Finally, reconnect the dock cable to your laptop. Next is to update drivers and firmware. If power cycling does not fully resolve your issues, like monitor disconnections or Ethernet drops, you should update the dock's software. Your computer must be plugged into the dock for this process. First, update drivers. Firstly, go to the official Dell Drivers and Downloads portal, and from there, select your specific model. Then download the latest Realtek USB GBE Ethernet controller driver and Realtek USB audio driver. For update firmware, use Dell command update or Dell update to grab the latest dock firmware, which resolves USB-C handshake problems and connection stability. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.